Man, tapping with 10 by 10 gaming. Go subscribe right now. OG back on the screen. While it's unclear how many products are affected by this issue, there's no indication yet that it has impacted Cronus or XIM accessories. Cronus and XIM accessories are controversial since they allow users to mimic a mouse and keyboard as an Xbox controller. This functionality provides them with a competitive edge in FPS games like Call of Duty, since they are offered boost turning speed and rapid fire, functionally without sacrificing aim assist. However, XIM and Cronus accessories have been used for accessibility purposes as well. As of right now, we haven't seen any evidence that these types of accessories will be affected by the recent changes since Xbox has historically been unable to detect them, but we're investigating. Why does that account muted? I'm muting people on accident. Now, there was a post by Xbox basically saying that in November they were going to patch Cronus Zens. People thought the Zens wasn't working anymore. As you guys go look at my last video, because I'm doing them in a certain type of order now. My last video is a Zen video. Go look at how he's doing the workouts on the Zen. Now, people was like, why do it with the workouts? That's not the point. One, yes, it's lazy. You could just do the workouts. I guess it's easy, but still, I don't do the workouts, guys, because I feel like they're just time consuming and annoying. And some of them I can't do, like the bench press thing. Come on, don't act like the bench press thing is just that's annoying. Like, I don't got time to be bench pressing and doing the holding. Like, I don't know. For some people, it's just like that. It is like that because I don't do them at all. Like, literally, I play no workouts. Don't do them. I'll get some Gatorade boosts, but no workouts. So, Joe, the devs are crazy. This is my career, Mike Wayne. You already got where people not dropping likes on my videos. I'm gonna blame you. I'm gonna blame the devs. Because you got people disliking the game so much. If they enjoyed the game, if there wasn't cheaters, if you guys had stuff fixed, I can't defend you guys. I'm not gonna be just crazy and come at you guys crazy, but I can't defend y'all. Keep it 100. This is crazy. People thought the Zens didn't work anymore when they're just the bottom barrel. You're the bottom barrel hackers. That's how you get looked at. You're the bottom barrel cheaters, meaning once they send in a patch, you guys stop cheating. Oh, it doesn't work no more. You guys quit. When Zens have came in scripts, we know Zens work in scripts now, meaning there's different scripts, meaning you set the values on different things. So if you do a fade here and you press a certain combination, it works. You know what I mean? That's how the Zens work now. It's not so simple no more, like how people used to just use them in 17 and stuff, and they'll be like, oh, it's so easy, it works. No, it's values now, because 2K added in their anti-cheat measures, which is the timings changing, your jump shot speed timing changing. That was one of their little anti-measures to stop Zens or whatever, but there's still something else that the hackers figured out. This is coming from the Zen people themselves. This is like them sending out a little note message about their products. While it's unclear how many products are affected by this issue, you know, this is their little, they're talking about how Xbox never, look, as of right now, we haven't seen any evidence that these type of accessories will be affected by the recent changes since Xbox has historically been unable to detect them. That's crazy. So they're saying for, like, historically, whoever is making the Xboxes, they can't detect the Zens. And think about it, 2K is separated from that. That's an Xbox issue. 2K is separated from the fact of that people want to cheat on the game and use the Zens. They just make the game to be played on the Xbox platform and console. Yeah, they work together, but you see what I mean? So no wonder, yo, people have always been having Zens all in the stage. Me personally, y'all, I still play the game and gonna enjoy it, but it just makes it bad for when it's like, yo, you really playing the game. Like, you really, like, a lot of players are really good, extra better players than what you really are. You're playing, you're seeing somebody else you cheat to do what he's doing. But it's in that I don't know space because you can't really tell. People try to be able to tell when somebody goes 9 for 9, 5 for 5, but I have went 6 for 6. But I've done layups too. There's other things in it as well mixed in. But I have gone 5 for 5 as well, just shooting as well. So it's like, it's hard to tell. It's such a hard mixture to tell, man. It makes it so bad for the experience, man. Just knowing that people are cheating, so many people are buying it. Even the cheaters, they get, I feel like their aspect and enjoyment of 2K goes away as well. They just started to cheat. Everybody was like, man, 2K is making their shit. They did that because people were cheating behind the scenes. Everybody's like, I don't blame people for why 2K shooting. They did that because people were cheating behind the scenes. 2K wants power and control over their game. They don't want people being able to cheat. This is why the gold rush doesn't get... Yo, do y'all not understand? This is why a lot of the events was starting to decrease. They take certain things away. They changed up shit because the cheaters were the ones who were just always going to win the event. You would have some honest men who would probably win it, some people who go with their squad or whatever, but the cheaters would always be ruining the events or 2K's, anything of 2K that has a status, legend, anything. And you have to think about it. The cheaters are going to be the top players. They have the advantage, just like how you see them say right here in Call of Duty, they have the advantage. It is many of these people, even though there's many of players who say, nah, shooting easy, because you're the honest player. You took the time to learn it and get it. When you miss, you know how to adjust. You don't mind having that balance with 2K. There's players who hate that. They want to go green every shot. They don't want to miss when they're wide open or their shot timing changes a little bit. They hate that. They're like, nah, I'm getting a Zen. 2K ruined 2K, but 2K did that to stop the people who were using Zens before. So it's just bad. It's just the people's minds. So this right here, man, is basically confirming that Xbox has had a history with not being able to detect this Zen. And this is why we always have cheaters, y'all. Whatever company made Zens, yo, it's like Xbox probably would have to go into like a lawsuit thing to sue them. But gamers would have to make such an uproar to have companies even start to be like, yeah, to even have that as a thing. Think about it. That's the only way y'all were getting this patched. If companies are willing and ready to go to war to sue this company that made the Zens in the first place. Whoever made that technology basically made a technology where Xbox can't detect and cheaters will always be able to be on the game. That's the only way, y'all. So when this guy tagged me and he said, I think never OG, because I said, I think it's getting patched in November. Because Xbox did post something. I guess that's normal standard for them posting that, and they have a history with not being able to detect it. That's what's really killing off the games, y'all. I'm telling y'all. There's a behind the scenes little war going on where they're 2K's trying to get control, but not telling the public that. They're not really telling the public that. And they're up, and 2K's okay with the players like me and other players who still find ways to enjoy the game and play and still do their thing on the game, make content. They're okay with that. When they need to, don't allow their game to decline and work on getting that in order, man. Like, I'm telling you, I would change the whole shift of the game. You'll probably see people play different, but everybody can play in a certain set meta because they're cheating. So it's just about getting through to the certain windows, man. It's bad. It's bad. When you really start to understand it, it's really that bad. And then when you're a content creator or when you're just playing for skill purposes, it's like, can't beat them, join them. So then you're at the even playing field, and then you're playing against somebody. Hopefully you have a better value and script than him, and you make more greens potentially, because remember, Zens can still miss. So it's not like how it used to be. This is why people think they don't work still. They're just not aware, and they're foolish to think that. There's always a behind the scenes hackers coming up, man. People scam the world right now and get money and get hella bans, and you think that, oh, Zen users, like, you think Zen users is Man, hey y'all hit that like. Let me know what y'all think about this, man. Hopefully we get a lot of comments on this topic. I'll see y'all in the next one.